What up, guys? I got mail. First is this. Hold on, let me get a knife. Alright, I'm back. Man, I don't think you're supposed to get in this thing. Woodworking Junkie. If you want one of his t-shirts, just head down to his channel. I'll include a link to his merch store. I bought this t-shirt. Is it the right size? Yep, it's a large. I'm a large. I'm a fatty. If you want one of his shirts, just head on down to his merch store and get one. I recommend you do that. Support the makers, guys. Next is we got this little letter here from TJ's Woodworking Shop. Aw, sweet. Got a sticker. Thanks, TJ's. I am going to be giving you one of my stickers. I'll be putting this in the mail for you. I gotta find a place to put that up. And a nice little note. Sounds awesome. Alright. Head over to TJ Woodworking Shop's YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description for him. Head over to his channel. Go click subscribe. And yeah. Seems like a really cool dude. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. And most importantly, guys, please subscribe.